Can you see my cat in the background there? I'm totally hiding him with the plant. Hi everybody and welcome back to Journal with Laura. For today's guided journaling practice, we are doing one that is perfect to start your week. So this is ideal to do on a Sunday night or a Monday morning. It doesn't have to take long, 5 to 10 minutes, it's absolutely enough. It's a super simple exercise, but I think it is so beneficial and so just important to do. If we don't take the time to just sit down, reflect, and celebrate, then our life just really passes by and the weeks of 2020 are just gonna fly by, right? And we won't even know, oh my God, what did we even do last week? What did we even achieve last week? And I just think that it's important to bring a certain level of self-awareness into your daily life so that you can be more conscious and aware of all the small little happy moments that happen in your life, because there are so many really great things happening all the time, but we don't really celebrate them and we don't really enjoy them to their fullest potential. So this exercise just really aims to give you some level of self-awareness so that you can really have a great week, you can have a great start into the week. So let's grab our journal and grab a pen and let's get started. So the first thing that you actually want to do is you want to go onto your laptop or your diary or your calendar, whatever you use to organize yourself, and you want to go into last week and actually look through what you did, right? And then you want to ask yourself, what amazing things have I brought into my life last week? And with this exercise, really, it's also not even about like the huge accomplishments and the huge wins, but it's just about the small little things that added to your everyday happiness. For example, if you, I don't know, went out and had a dinner with a friend, or you got yourself croissants for breakfast, or you tried out a new coffee shop, or you had a good conversation with a friend, whatever it is, look through your calendar and really think about what did I do on those days, and then write down at least, I would say, 5 to 10 things that were really great about last week. For you, instead of just writing, for example, I just wrote catch up with Vivian, who is a friend of mine, and instead of just writing catch up with my friend, I'm writing amazing catch up with Vivian. Or I had a really great phone call with another friend of mine, so I'm writing empowering and inspirational phone call with blah blah blah, right? So really try to include as well feelings and emotions that you felt when that happened. you write down, the more things come up in your mind because you've wired your brain to focus on those things, right? So just keep going, just keep writing and constantly ask, what else, what else, what else? And then more things are gonna come up. And then if you've written down 5 to 10 things, if you need some more time, feel free to pause this video right now. And we want to move on to next week, so the week that's coming up now. So what you want to do is you want to look into your calendar and see what things are coming to you in the next week. And then you want to write in, I'm probably gonna leave this in. And then you want to ask yourself, what amazing things do you want to bring into your life next week? And again, it's not really about like huge wins and huge goals and like really like putting a lot of things on your to-do list. This exercise really is about like the small things, right? For example, have a meaningful conversation with a friend, or I don't know, meet someone new, meet at least one new person, have at least one conversation with a new person, or go to one event, or try out a new coffee shop, or I don't know, try 2 new recipes, right? Like, it's not about the big things again, but it's about adding small little moments of happiness. Okay, again, if you still need a little bit of time to come up with a few things, feel free to pause the video now. And what's especially cool when you do this exercise over and over again is that next week you can then go back to the what amazing things can I bring into my life next week question, and you can see what things you've actually manifested and brought into your life, and you can tick them off. So if there's anything right now that you wrote down and that is bound to like a specific place or time, then actually now take like 5 more minutes and put it into your calendar, or research that event that you want to go to, or click going on that yoga class that you want to attend next week. Whatever it is, do it now and bring it into your life. So comment down below one thing that you want to manifest next week, that you want to bring into your life next week. Feel free to share that with us. Also feel free to share this video with a friend who might find this useful. Maybe you could do that together with a friend. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!